Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energy starting from 11th till 17th of October. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. And to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started with the reading. Aquarius, 11th till 17th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, 11th till 17th of October. At the back of the deck we have the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so there's some kind of a reunion I am really getting. So this could be a reunion with somebody with whom you have a connection in the past. It could be a reconciliation which could have happened between you and your person, or just a meeting, or just like a kind of talking with the both of you. You know, you are talking, you might be having just some chit chats, not in that serious sense, but for some of you it could be like it has gone deep. Okay, so in the past we have Queen of Pentacles, 10 of Cups in reverse and the Ace of Swords in reverse. So there was a person, might be Capricorn with whom you are dealing with. So you could be dealing with this person in the sense like, you know, there could be breakup or a bad marriage or something related to love in the past, but all this thing happened because of the miscommunication between both of you. There was some misunderstandings, and then but the clarification has been done. It looks like that you both have clarified whatever the problems you both had between each other. In the present we have the Lovers, Knight of Cups in reverse and Two of Cups. So yeah, this person, you feel like this person is your soulmate. You have a very good, beautiful bond with somebody. Okay, it could be anyone. We'll clarify now. In the coming future we will it is coming as the Emperor, the Tower and Two of Pentacles. Strong balancing energies are seen in the coming future. Along with that, there is somebody who is trying to be rigid and you are trying to balance the situation. It could be a father figure, it could be somebody elder to you, or it could be the same person with whom you are dealing with now, but somebody is, or a boss as well. But something is like you are trying to balance your home life, your job life, everything, and there are a lot of problems coming up towards you. But we will see what you are going to do exactly with the situation. Alright, so let's see. Let's do the clarification for now. Aquarians. Okay, so tell me more about the Five of Pentacles, please. So we have the Lovers in reverse, Four of Swords and the Five of Wands. So yeah, definitely there is something going on. Although you just feel loved with this person, it's like this person is your everything, okay, but still you somehow, what you start to feel is, you know, you start to just whenever there is some kind of a argument or some kind of a problem, a fight which starts between both of you, you are the one who stays silent, because you know you want to communicate with them, you want to continue this relationship, you want this relationship more than them. That is what I'm seeing. If this is a relationship, if this is a job, if this is anything, whatever the situation is, you are putting more effort in the situation because you want it more. It's like you are the one connected with this thing deeply than the other other party. Queen of Pentacles in the past. What is this Queen of Pentacles? Okay, so we have King of Cups, Four of Pentacles in reverse, the World in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, and the Emperor in reverse. With this person, although you let go, okay, although there was a miscommunication with them, but you still let go. There was an unfinished business with this person, but you were like, okay, you still have this unfinished business, okay. Whatever the things, whatever the communication which you both, again, you have talked with each other, you might have solved the situation, but actually you didn't solve it. It was the compromise which you did. That is what is seen in the past. You had a breakup, you lost it, whatever this thing was, it was finished, okay. But when the reconciliation happened, it is more like a situation which is which to me it feels like this was a compromise rather than a commitment which both of you gave. No, only one-sided thing was that. Tell me more about the Knight of Cups in the present energies in the reverse. The Tower, Eight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and the Ace of Swords. See, the clarification has been done, but the stability is still not seen in both of you, or in the situation and you. You are going again and again towards this thing to make everything happen, but somehow you are not able to continue this thing for a longer time. You are the one who is full into the partnership, into the situation. You are fully involved in this thing. You want to make it happen, no matter what the tarot says, no matter what other people says. You just want them. You just want this thing. By anyhow, you want it. Two of Cups. Let's see. Queen of Pentacles is coming again and again, so strong possibility of you are dealing with a Capricorn over here. Nine of Wands in reverse, Justice in reverse, and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you are again and again, you are just, you are opening your guards. You are you're making that everything is fine again and again. You are the one, as I already told you. And yes, the imbalance is seen in between this relationship, in the situation. The imbalance is actually there. Everyone is able to see that you are not the one who actually is you. You are behaving like someone else. You are not you. You are faking yourself. You are behaving in a very different way. You are behaving like the changed Aquarius, okay. You have changed because of the other person, or the situation in front of you. It's not you who is dealing with the situation. It's the person, the other person wants you to be, okay. So this is more like a fake Aquarius, which I am really getting over here today. Tell me more about the Emperor energy. We have Ten of Wands, Queen of Cups in reverse, Knight of Wands, and Ten of Swords in reverse. Because of this too much pressure, I feel like you are still in the same situation where you were in the past. You have come again. The wheel is turning. The wheel has brought you in the same situation which was there. You were balancing before as well. You are balancing now as well. You want this thing to happen. You have that feeling of, strong fire energies are seen here strongly. You want this thing strongly. You want this thing by anyhow. I want this thing I want it to happen. I want so and so. You are the one who is taking charge of the situation. You are the one. But I don't see any other person's energy here. Why, Aquarians? Is it something the other person doesn't want and you are doing? It's more like losing yourself, Let's check the Tower energy, please. Tower. Eight of Cups, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, and Two of Cups in reverse. Whatever this thing, the bad marriage, bad partnership, yeah, somebody is moving away from this finally. I don't know whether it's you, it could be you, it could be the other person as well, but yeah, there's movement in this situation because of the imbalance which has been created in this from so much long time. It's like coming towards an end. Because when it's not, just we should listen to the universe's hints. Universe is trying to tell us something, so we should listen to it. Okay, Two of Pentacles. What is this Two of Pentacles here? The Chariot, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and the Moon. Something is coming towards light, in front, like something which is hideous. You might be getting some vibes, you might be getting some insights, like, okay, so this is something is wrong. You might be feeling that in the guts. So yeah, whatever you are going to feel it, you will be, actually you should listen to your inner feelings, inner thoughts in the situation. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.